Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's video I have something special. So it's been a week I couldn't post a video, so I am extremely sorry for that, because you can understand again lockdown got extended here in Karnataka. The situation is very bad. Yesterday though, don't ask, the death was totally high. So yesterday evening everything was decided, and from Monday it's a complete lockdown. So that's a bad part. Coming to the good part, so we have to utilize our time in this lockdown. So I thought of showing you how to fry the adamine here. So we call it adamine. So for that the ingredients we use, obviously the turmeric powder, the pepper powder, the salt, the chili, and the turmeric juice, tamarind juice, sorry, not turmeric, tamarind juice. Apart from that, the ginger garlic paste, and obviously the coconut oil. So we start off with the salt. First the salt is added. So you can see my mom is doing this work for me, because men are not so good in this part, that to the non-veg section. Me obviously, I don't eat much of the non-veg, but fish is one of my favorite food. So chili powder, then turmeric powder, everything is added. Then ginger garlic paste. Now the tamarind juice. Now it's completely mixed, marinated in other words. Coconut oil also is added, maybe 1 teaspoon. So you can see there's not much of a masala layer here, because some of the hotels, for example, they apply full masala, then they fry, and when we eat you can find that the masala is not fried enough from the inside. So little bit of masala, it makes it more tasty. So rice flour was added for the fried fish to become more crispier, and it is marinated for around 10 minutes. The flavor, the taste must equally be mixed in this. So after marinating for 10 minutes, we fry it. So as you observed, we already put the coconut oil. So this adamine is called as false trevally in English, and I guess the family name or the genus name is Latarius. So it is milk color in whitish, and if you cannot understand, like the way we have cut it and we have put it, I didn't show you how it looks. So for instance, it looks something like this, which is coming on the screen over here. So now putting it upside down, you can observe that grill slice has come on this. It's looking very tasty. So we have put it in sim, actually earlier it was on high. 2 more are remaining. So friends, regarding the first type, it's almost done. Now we'll put it on the tissue paper so that excess oil goes off and other health conditions doesn't come out. Apart from that, now we are going to do another fry here only with these two. That is, we thought of doing deep fry, whereas this is with the lesser oil, and that, whereas this will be completely fried in the oil. So I'll show you both the styles in the same video, so please continue watching. So friends, for this we are going to use rava, that is suji rava. So this is for the deep fry. Now we'll shuffle it on the rava, then we'll put it on the hot oil. So if you are thinking this is an iron kadai, so the color is a bit blackish. So the next one, so you can put two in this. So that's done with the deep fry, and this is also done here on this side. So this is the shallow fry. So please comment down which one you would like to prepare. So we turn it over. You can see how the color of this is looking, and while on the other side we are removing the excess oil in this. So this is a very soft fish, so you can see the body is little bit damaged here and there, the scales especially. So the fry is done. Now we'll toss it over to the tissue paper. Like I told, removing excess oil is very essential, which unfortunately the hotel people do not follow. Mom is not getting a place to keep them. So friends, this is the deep fry, deep rava fry in other words, and this is the shallow fry of the same fish. You can say rava and tawa fry. So friends, like I told, the tawa fry and the rava fry. So both same category fish, no changes, but you can see the changes in the fry itself, the style we fried it. So you can do this at your homes also. And concluding this video, I would advise you to stay home and stay safe. So apart from this, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, I will come up with more and more like this cooking videos. So please support me. Bye.